Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about outdoor TVs on the market, the Furrion Aurora 55-inch partial sun outdoor TV. This TV is not just another screen, it's engineered for outdoor living, promising durability and exceptional performance rain or shine. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Furrion Aurora 55-inch is designed for outdoor enthusiasts who want to bring the entertainment experience outdoors. It boasts a 4K UHD HDR display with LED backlighting, promising vivid colors, sharp images, and high contrast. What sets it apart is its weatherproof construction and adaptive brightness control, making it ideal for partially shaded areas like patios and porches. First off, let's talk about that display. The 4K HDR technology delivers stunning visuals with vibrant colors and deep blacks, ensuring a captivating viewing experience whether you're watching movies or sports. One of the standout features is its IP54 weatherproof rating. This means it's built to withstand various outdoor elements such as rain, snow, UV rays, and even extreme temperatures. Perfect for year-round outdoor use without worrying about damage. The adaptive brightness feature automatically adjusts the screen's brightness based on ambient light conditions. This ensures optimal visibility in both bright daylight and dimmer evening settings, enhancing viewing comfort. It's not just about the picture quality. The Furrion Aurora also includes built-in speakers for immersive outdoor audio. In terms of connectivity, it offers multiple ports including HDMI, USB, and RF, allowing you to easily connect your favorite devices. Imagine enjoying your favorite movies or the big game with friends and family in your backyard. The Furrion Aurora extends your living space outdoors, providing entertainment without compromise. Whether it's a sunny day or a breezy evening, this TV ensures you never miss a moment. Setting up the Furrion Aurora is straightforward. It comes with a secure weather-tight media bay for hassle-free connectivity and protection against moisture. The included IP67 rated waterproof remote adds convenience and durability. To sum it up, the Furrion Aurora 55-inch partial sun outdoor TV is a top contender in the outdoor TV market. With its impressive 4K HDR display, robust weatherproof design, and thoughtful features like auto brightness control, it stands out as an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their outdoor entertainment setup. If you're interested in taking your outdoor entertainment to the next level, check out the Furrion Aurora 55-inch TV. I've included a link in the description below where you can find more details and current pricing. Thanks for watching today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and tech insights. See you next time.